When it comes to iPhone repairs and DIY fixes, there are a few common issues that many users may encounter. Include a disclaimer stating that attempting DIY repairs may void warranties and carry risks, and viewers should proceed at their own risk. Encourage viewers to seek professional help if they're unsure or uncomfortable with the repair process. One of the most common problems is a cracked screen. If your iPhone screen is cracked, you may be able to replace it yourself with a screen replacement kit. These kits typically come with all the tools and instructions you need to replace the screen on your own. Another common issue is a faulty battery. If your iPhone battery is not holding a charge or is draining quickly, you may need to replace it. Battery replacement kits are available for purchase online and typically come with the necessary tools and instructions. It's important to follow the instructions carefully to ensure that the replacement is done correctly. If your iPhone camera is not working properly, there are a few DIY fixes you can try. One common issue is a dirty lens, which can cause blurry or distorted images. You can clean the lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to see if that resolves the issue. If the camera is still not working properly, you may need to replace it with a new camera module. In addition to these common repairs, there are a few other DIY fixes you can try for various iPhone issues. If your iPhone is not charging properly, you can try cleaning the charging port with a toothpick or compressed air. If your iPhone is not turning on, you can try performing a hard reset by holding down the power and home buttons simultaneously. Changing a battery. Explain how to safely remove the iPhone's back cover or display assembly, depending on the model. Demonstrate how to disconnect the battery connector and remove the adhesive strips, securing the battery in place. Show how to install the new battery and reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it's properly seated. It's important to note that DIY repairs can void your warranty, so it's always a good idea to check with Apple or a certified repair technician before attempting any repairs yourself. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, it's best to take your iPhone to a professional repair service to ensure that the issue is resolved correctly. Overall, iPhone repairs and DIY fixes can be a cost-effective way to address common issues with your device. With the right tools and instructions, you may be able to successfully repair your iPhone on your own. Just remember to proceed with caution and seek professional help if you're unsure about any aspect of the repair process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get a notification for more exciting videos, tips, and tricks.